Today I'm going to show you how to make 4-ingredient Nutella crepes. 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and then heaping tablespoon of Nutella, and then 1/4 cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour, and we'll give this a good whisk. There we go. Awesome. I have the burner set to right around medium heat. I lightly sprayed my non-stick pan with some cooking spray. You could also use butter. I'm gonna take a little bit of batter here. Winds up being about 1/3 cup, and just kind of take it off the heat, pour it up to one side, and then just let it tilt it and have it go all the way around the bottom here. And it doesn't take too long. Each side is gonna take like 30 seconds or so. It doesn't take very long to cook these because they're so thin. And we are gonna cook them until they're dry on the edges, they're bubbly, and it's no longer like liquidy on the top of the crepe. Just kind of peel it up like this, go underneath, and flip it like that. Again, and this second side's only gonna take 20 seconds at the most. And then when you're done, look at that, it looks really good. What I'll do is I took some Nutella, heated it up, and I put it in my little squeeze bottle. And that way you can just do like a little design of Nutella on there. I'm going to just put some strawberries right here, and then some banana as well. And then I'm just going to take it and roll it kind of tightly here. And roll it up like that. And just go across these with more Nutella on the top. And just do a light thing of powdered sugar. Strawberry. I'm gonna go on this end right here. Look at that. Nice big bite.